Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means that we are going to be having a review. Let's find out what's inside the bag. Get it undone here. All right. This bag comes from SevenGreat, and it's going to be in two parts. The next part will be next week. So we're going to have one thing one week and one thing another week. So we have a cross stitch, and it is a 40 by 40, and I will put a picture of it here. And it was $10.84. Hold that thought. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. So let's look at the cross stitch. And if they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, I will put them right down here and also in the description box below. Let's take a look at this kit. I'm looking for the paper pattern. Everything was upside down. So as you can see, I hopefully put that on there for long enough. It is a 40 by 40, so it's not very big. Does have 35 colors though. Very nicely printed. Has the product number and how big it is here. And a nice big key as usual. And at the bottom, it's 147 by 147. And let's take a look at the colors, because it really has some beautiful, beautiful colors in this. We have 498 red and 550 purple. I'm losing my voice. We have 823 and 939. We also have 3770, which is that light butter color, if you will, and no 3865. So not sure what they're going to be using other than that butter color for a white, but your paper pattern will match your canvas. So let's get to it. But this is very nicely done. I can't tell what the confetti looks like. It does look like it has some big areas, and it has some darker areas. This 25 is 939, so that's a very dark blue. And where else did they put? And the purple symbol right here is like scattered everywhere. So the majority of the dark color is 939. So I'll show you exactly what that looks like when we get that far. All right, this also comes with an instruction page. How to start, how to finish. Just the same as on the back of a Joy Sunday. And we have the tiger. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Let's take a look at the colors. The colors are on one of those thread cards. So hold please. All right, I am back. It does come with a hank of 939 because I told you that's the majority of the background color, if you will. On the bottom, at least, you know, like quarter or half of the thing. But look at these beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. We got purples and blues, and I see a couple of real pale colors. So that's like a pale purple, and that's like a pale yellow. But I'm not seeing anything. So I think this is the 3770 number. Not sure what that purple is. But we have golds, we have oranges, we have reds. We have 550 purple, which is this one right here. It's like a royal purple. And we got a lot of gray there. Beautiful colors, though. Just outstanding. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I thought this was a really beautiful picture. you know, I'm just going to open everything that's in this bag, and next week we will start this. And put that there. So it does come serged all the way around. Also has the product number here and how big it is. And, sorry, how many squares per square. It's 147. And very nice key. I'm looking at it. The threads do not go into the numbers, so it just barely grazes it. Barely grazes it. I don't know. There you go. So, very nicely printed. I don't see any smudges or smears. Very easy to see symbols. This is an 11 count. So, I'm not seeing a whole lot of confetti. It's just kind of ting, 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 ting. Here, there, you know, a little bit. Again, the rest of them are in like rivers of color. So this should be fairly easy to do, except for all that background. You know me, I'm not much with that background stuff. But I think it's going to make the picture, I really do. I think everything will just absolutely pop. So, we have 40 centimeters that way, or 15 3/4 by 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is 13 inches or 33 centimeters. Like I said, it's not too big. It's be one to do in the spring and the summer, you know, when you don't want to get hot with a great big huge canvas. So let's see here. It is 33.5 or about 13 1/4 inches. So very nice size, very well done. Yeah, very nice. So let's see what else is in there. But for what was it? It was $10.84. So that's under $15. So I still think it's a good kit. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. I can hardly wait to start it next week. And that'll be on next Thursday. I had to think what day we were at. All right. And the next one, they said that these were these are A4 bags. And there's 5 bags for $5.99. And they are the ones, hang on, I'm trying to get it out of its bag. It comes in a Ziploc bag here. So that's very nice. And you get 5 of them. Let's see if we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they come in, you get 2 blue, a red, a yellow, 2 blue, and a green. And they're not very big, but they're great for your little projects. I love these Ziploc bags. And now the stores are starting to carry them. I love that fact. They have a nice sturdy zipper. Very nice. You can wipe them down if they get anything on it. I do mark on mine with a permanent Sharpie. And to take that off, I take either a little bit of, what do you call that stuff? Sanitizer or nail polish remover. And make sure that you get the kind that is non-acetone, or else this will melt, because acetone melts plastic. So, yeah, very nicely done. Let's see how big they are. They come in several, not several, 2 or 3, I think, sizes. I'll put a picture of, you know, all of them together so you can see. But this is the A, what did I say? It's written on the side, too. On this little sticker. I just saw it. Come on, show me. This is the A4 size. So I think this is the smallest size. Now, at other places, they do have the little size. It's about like the size of a pencil box. Not a pencil box, a pencil bag. You know, the littlest that you can get. So those didn't do me any good. But these are perfect for little, small projects, because they have a lot of room in them. Okay, they're 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 23.5 or 9.25 inches. So, and they tell you in the description box, it says this one's the size, this one's the size, and this one's the size. So you can see, you know, and just get out a tape measure or a ruler and whatever, and just see, you know, well, I want one that's a little bit bigger, or I want one that's maybe a little bit smaller, like these. So, but I think they're on sale right now, and if there is that as well, I will put that below while we're talking about this. But yeah, these bags are absolutely, totally stupendous. I cannot recommend them more. I do. I love them. They wipe off clean when you sit down. Now, it looks like it's got mesh, but that mesh is what makes it strong. But it's totally enclosed. I would not say that it's waterproof, especially up here, because you have a cloth zipper that runs across the top. But, you know, for setting it down maybe on a wet surface, it would be totally fine if you're not going to move it too much. But, yeah, these things are indestructible. And the only thing that I have ever had happen to any of these is that this zipper comes off for some reason. So just run yourself a piece of cord or something through there. But see, it's just kind of a little loop. I don't know that you can tell that. So just, and it's made of metal. So I just put the thing back in there and used a little, you know, not a scissors, but the little tiny needle nose pliers, and just kind of pushed it, and it was back in business. But that's the only thing that I've ever had happen to them. I love them. And that is such a good price. I can't remember. It seems like I get 30 of them at Amazon. So I think these come, you know, like 5 or 6. What did I just say? $6.99 for 5 of them. So, yeah. Do check those out. Thank you, SevenGreat, for I love the bags. I'm going to put my small projects in it. Or if you're going somewhere, put, you know, fill them up. They will take it. They will really take a lot. I mean, I have the biggest size that you can get that I've gotten from Amazon, of course. But they're just indestructible. I have not had a problem other than that little zipper pull coming off, and it was easily fixed. I fixed it myself, guys. Fixed it myself. Now, SevenGreat does have cross-stitch, beaded embroidery, and they have a separate Joy Sunday section. And let's see, they do have free shipping over $49, and as I said, if they have any specials, I will put them in the beginning of the video and in the description box below. So thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.